Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Spazielle espresso machine. We did a tune-up on this one. The the group head screen and diffuser were completely clogged. Actually one of the worst I've seen in a while. So this machine is working a lot better now. Also the pressure was a little high. It was like probably like 1.6. So it was steaming a little bit more than it was making hot water for espresso. So that was also an issue. So let's go ahead and make a shot. You can see it makes a beautiful shot of espresso. Test the steam. Hot water. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.